Hey, what's up guys, this is Guy here. Today I'm outside in the park and I'm going to test my DJI Mavic Mini, and let's just set it up and do some flight. So we will take some beautiful pictures of the water that is frozen apparently, and we'll also take a look at downtown Denver on the other end and just take some beautiful footages and see how it does. So as I told you in the previous video, if you haven't watched it, please do. I talked a little bit about the regulations and where you cannot fly. You don't need to try to fly over people or crowds. You need to make sure you are respecting the law and you don't want to get arrested or get in any trouble. So be sure that you are well and you do everything in order. And then before starting, let's talk about this launch pad here. I don't know if it's a launch pad or however they call it. Alright, so this is what I bought for the drone. It helps me just have some clean space to fly the drone from. Alright, so we are ready to take off.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
And you can notice that the exposure is very high, so I need to step it down a little bit. That's what I'm saying in French there. Alright, so I think this is normal. Voila. And now we're going up. So on the lower left side of your screen you can see my phone screen and everything that I'm seeing. There's an altitude over there and the distance from me. Yep, so we're going up for the flights. For these images, again, they are not edited, no color grading or anything. And somewhere at the end of this video I will show you when I lost my drone, I mean the signal to my drone, and how it reacted. All right, so this is what I was talking about. So at some point here I lost the feed from my drone. As you can notice, I was having some lag in the feed from the drone here, and I also received a weak signal alert that I really didn't take care of. I actually didn't see it apparently. And then at some point over here you will see that I will lose the feed. It's completely frozen, and the drone stopped right here waiting for something. And this is when I hit the return home button from the remote, and now the drone received it and started returning home. But meanwhile, I didn't have anything coming back from the drone. The screen was dark. I kind of started freaking out until some point over here when I received the signal, and I kind of laughed. Yeah, that was some weird laugh over there because I really wasn't sure what was happening. But as you can see, the phone was still not receiving anything until now, and then I saw that the drone is coming back home. So yeah, now you know what happens when you get disconnected. The drone will stay up in the air and you need to try to reconnect it. And if you have to move, yeah, try to move toward your drone. And if you're flying over residential areas, you get a lot of interference. The 2.4 gigahertz of Wi-Fi frequency is used a lot in a lot of homes. So I think we had some apartment complex right next to where I was, so that's why it happened. And this is the landing. So I'm landing on the launch pad, and the launchpad description, or the link to the launchpad, is in the description. All right, so this is the drone coming down, and yeah, I was just happy to recover. So when the drone lost signal, it just stops and waits for anything. So that's a good thing. So now you know. And thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video. If you like science, motivation, and technology, please subscribe, and be safe out there.